Unity recently introduced Unity AI features as a suite of integrated tools designed to accelerate game development workflows and empower creators of all skill levels. These capabilities are embedded directly within the Unity editor, allowing developers to generate scripts, prototype mechanics, and iterate on assets without ever leaving their workspace. Now, as a single developer, you can create a AAA game from the comfort of your home without hiring additional designer or animator or any sort of additional staff, because AI will do the most of the work inside Unity. However, at the time of recording this video, these AI features are not free.
Oh! No!
But don't worry, I have you covered. All of those AI features have free alternatives that you can integrate within Unity with $0 and still develop a AAA game as a solo developer. If you are a serious game developer but want to unitize AI to create an entire game but don't want to risk a single dollar on your dream project, you should watch the entire video to get the most out of it. Let's start with the feature most developers will use first: AI coding assistance. Unity AI can answer questions, explain errors, generate scripts, and understand your project context. Those capabilities are impressive, but they're not unique to Unity. Open source tools such as Continue.dev and Cline have become popular among developers because they can connect to powerful AI models and work directly with your codebase. Combined with Ollama, you can run AI models locally on your own machine. Models like Qwen3, DeepSeek, and DevStroll can generate C# scripts, explain bugs, help build gameplay systems, create editor tools, and assist with refactoring large projects. One of the biggest advantages is flexibility. You're not tied to a single AI provider. If a stronger model appears next month, you can often switch without rebuilding your entire workflow. Coding is only one part of game development. Visual assets are equally important. Every project needs textures, icons, user interfaces, concept art, and environment assets. Unity AI includes generators for many of these tasks, but the open-source image generation ecosystem has evolved incredibly quickly. ComfyUI has become one of the most powerful creative AI tools available. Combined with models such as Flux Schnell or Stable Diffusion XL, developers can generate character concepts, inventory icons, UI elements, environment artwork, stylized assets, and seamless textures. What used to take hours of searching, sketching, or outsourcing can now be explored in minutes, making it easier to test ideas and iterate rapidly. Materials are another area where AI can save significant time. Building realistic, physically based materials often requires multiple texture maps, including normal maps, roughness maps, metallic maps, and height maps. Tools like Materialize can generate many of these automatically from a single texture. When combined with AI-generated images, developers can quickly create rocks, walls, roads, metal surfaces, futuristic panels, terrain materials, and environmental assets that are ready to bring scenes to life. For developers working on 2D games, sprite generation is another major opportunity. Character sprites, enemies, weapons, effects, and user interface elements can all be generated with modern AI image models. Specialized LoRa models have made it possible to generate art styles ranging from realistic illustrations to retro pixel art. Rather than replacing artists, many developers use these tools to accelerate brainstorming and concept exploration, allowing them to test multiple visual directions before committing to a final style. Another often overlooked area is environment generation. Every game world needs atmosphere, and skyboxes play a huge role in establishing that feeling. Modern AI models can generate panoramic environments ranging from fantasy kingdoms and futuristic cities to alien worlds and natural landscapes. These panoramic images can be transformed into skyboxes and used directly inside Unity, giving developers an easy way to create immersive backgrounds without building everything from scratch. Animation has traditionally been one of the most difficult parts of game development. Creating realistic movement requires skill, time, and experience. Fortunately, free tools have dramatically lowered that barrier. Mixamo offers thousands of ready-to-use animations for walking, running, jumping, climbing, combat, and more. AccuRig can automatically rig characters, removing one of the most technical steps in the animation process. Blender remains one of the most powerful open-source creative tools available, while Cascadeur helps improve movement through physics-assisted workflows. Many animation tasks that once required specialized expertise can now be handled much more efficiently by solo developers and small teams. Motion capture is another area experiencing major change. In the past, capturing realistic human movement required expensive equipment and dedicated studios. Today, AI-powered motion capture tools can often convert ordinary video footage into usable animation data. A smartphone recording can become the starting point for character animation. Developers can record actions themselves and use AI tools to extract movement data, making realistic motion capture far more accessible than it was only a few years ago. Audio generation is also advancing rapidly. Every game needs sound effects, and finding the perfect audio asset can become surprisingly time-consuming. AI tools such as AudioCraft can generate custom sounds based on text descriptions. Whether you need a futuristic machine, a magical spell, environmental ambiance, or science fiction effects, AI can help create audio tailored to your specific project. This level of customization can be difficult to achieve with traditional sound libraries alone. Music generation has seen similar progress. Background music influences emotion, pacing, tension, and atmosphere. Modern AI music generators can produce tracks inspired by fantasy, horror, science fiction, strategy games, puzzle games, and many other genres. For developers working on prototypes or indie projects, this provides a fast way to experiment with different musical styles before investing in final compositions. Voice generation is becoming increasingly useful as well. Games often contain large amounts of dialogue, narration, tutorials, and NPC interactions. AI-powered text-to-speech systems such as Kokoro TTS allow developers to rapidly prototype voice content and experiment with different approaches. While human voice actors still provide the highest level of performance and emotional delivery, AI-generated voices are becoming valuable tools during development. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting areas of AI today, 3D model generation. For decades, creating 3D assets required specialized modeling skills and significant time investment. Projects such as Trellis, Hunyuan 3D, and TripOSR are exploring a different future. A text description or a single image can be converted into a 3D model, although the results often require cleanup and refinement before production use. The technology is still evolving rapidly, and each new generation of models continues to improve quality and usability. Of course, generating assets is only part of the story. AI can also run inside games themselves. ONNX Runtime and Unity Sentis allow machine learning models to execute directly within Unity. This opens the door to intelligent gameplay systems, procedural content generation, adaptive game mechanics, accessibility features, player behavior analysis, and many other possibilities. AI is becoming more than a content creation tool. It is increasingly becoming part of gameplay itself. And then there are AI-powered NPCs. Traditional non-player characters rely on dialogue trees and scripted responses. Modern AI systems can go much further. By combining local language models with memory systems such as ChromaDB and databases such as SQLite, developers can create NPCs that remember information, track previous conversations, store knowledge, and generate more dynamic responses than traditional dialogue systems. While these systems are still evolving, they represent one of the most promising applications of AI in gaming. Computer vision adds another layer of possibilities. Tools such as YOLO, OpenCV, and MediaPipe enable object detection, image recognition, body tracking, gesture recognition, and pose estimation. These technologies can be integrated into Unity projects to support augmented reality experiences, motion-controlled gameplay, interactive installations, and advanced user interactions that previously required specialized research teams. When you step back and look at the entire ecosystem, a clear picture emerges. Continue.dev, Cline, Ollama, QWin3, ComfyUI, FluxSchnell, Materialize, Mixamo, Blender, AudioCraft, MusicGen, Kokoro TTS, Trellis, Hunyuan 3D, TripOSR, ONNX Runtime, ChromaDB, SQLite, YOLO, OpenCV, MediaPipe, and Unity MCP collectively cover most of the major AI workflows that Unity AI currently targets. Some are fully open source, others are free to use. Together, they form an incredibly capable toolkit for modern game development. Perhaps the most interesting part is how quickly this ecosystem continues to evolve. Every month brings stronger models, better tools, and new capabilities. Features that seemed experimental a year ago are becoming practical for real projects. Strong tools that was expensive suddenly becoming free. The future of AI-powered game development is not limited to a single company or platform. It is being built across a massive ecosystem of developers, researchers, startups, and open-source communities. Unity AI is certainly part of that future, but it is not the only path. For developers willing to explore the alternatives, a large portion of the modern AI game development stack is already available through free and open-source tools, while some services offer generous free tiers. The next generation of game development may be powered by AI, but increasingly, many of the tools driving that future are available to everyone. As always, write down your questions and comments down in the details section, like and subscribe for similar AI content.